Look at us.
Hey guys, Patronn here. We're sitting with Mr. Ziegler here, the legend himself, at Battle Plan 24, okay, in Detroit, Michigan City.
My smoking hot trophy wife, Debbie.
That's right, Debbie's in the house. So the food is amazing here, guys. Everything is great. Having a lot of fun. Created some content, obviously, just basically learning the Jim Ziegler style way. And I couldn't miss it. I had to be here. So.
I'll tell you what, Patronn's the real deal.
Yes,
The real deal. You know, I mean, first time I saw some video with El Patronn, I went, what the?
What is this about?
What is this? You know, but then I looked into it. And I said, hey, this guy's the real deal. I called some people I know. I talked to his numbers are real. I mean,
right?
I'm really impressed. So
you approve this message?
I approve this message. Yeah, absolutely approve this message.
No, I appreciate and coming here. It's I couldn't miss it. I always want to learn, and obviously different mindset, different ideas, and you're the guy obviously that everybody looks up to, and it was an honor meeting you, and be part of this. It's amazing. So I really want to appreciate that, and I thank you for that.
Well, I'm really glad we got to do this. This is a lot of fun for me to have you guys here.
Absolutely.
You even got your competitor here.
Hey, listen, it's friendly competition, you know what I'm saying? Peter's in the house, right? So why not? We not that far from each other, but we watch each other's stuff. But at the end of the day, it's different demographic. 5 million people in Brooklyn. He's focusing in the Bronx, and
I remember what you said earlier when he wasn't in the room. You said, "You hope he eats poop and dies."
I did not approve that message, guys.
We approve that.
Oh, funny
It's
stuff.
great. It's great.
Okay, Jim Ziegler and El Patronn. We got it. We got
Got it, guys.